I went to the manufacturing in Durban. I was invited there last year, and there was one section where they talked about electricity efficiency. I then asked a question regarding our consumption, which I thought was actually quite high. And then afterwards, a lady, the name of Julie, came to me and said she's part of the CSIR and she can probably assist us. That was the nice part, that it didn't cost us anything. Normally, if something is too good to be true, it's too good to be true. But yeah, they came out and they did it all for us free of charge.
Our initial step when doing this assessment was to do a pre-visit questionnaire where we identified significant energy users at the lamp factory. We then came out and did an energy assessment with them, in which we highlighted 7 opportunities for energy saving, energy and resource saving with the lamp factory. We then came out and did an energy assessment with them, in which we highlighted 7 opportunities for energy saving, energy and resource saving with the lamp factory.
We have received a full report from them on suggestions and implementations. So I think some of them are very practical and we've already started to implement some of them, and some of them are in the process and planning stages to be implemented.
Of the 7 projects that we identified at the lamp factory, there were 3 major projects that were identified. The first project was regarding the significant energy user being the oven and using LPG instead of electricity. The second project regarded insulation on the oven, where the insulation was of an inadequate standard, leading to a lot of heat loss from the oven. And lastly, due to the lamp factory having approximately 50% of the electricity charge related to demand charge, they could factor moving the peak demand usage on the oven to an off-peak period, therefore resulting in approximately 50% saving on the electricity charge for the month. The fact that we don't, in this case, we're looking at a small to medium enterprise, we can see the results of our assessment significantly. If we save Matt a sum of 20,000 Rand on his electricity consumption every month, that directly relates to him becoming more competitive and employing more heads in his business. So it has a direct impact on his business, the cost of his product, and on the economy at large. My main motivation is the direct benefit that you see. In Matt's case, he approached the NCPC and he was on the verge of closing doors due to his electricity usage being very high. We came in, we made a direct impact on his business, and this relates to Matt being able to employ more staff, reducing the cost of his product, and largely contributing to the economy of South Africa.